Yeah, so as you can see, yeah, it's hot. It's hotter than 80 out here. No pun intended, but yeah, it's hot. We got the pressure washer gun that extends different heights, so we don't have to worry about getting up and down on the ladder. Trying to do my best here, trying to keep you guys in line. What's going on? But like I said again, I'll be back. This is the third side of the house. We got one more big side to do, and then obviously go back and double check everything to make sure everything's all good, everything's clean and proper. T-shirt soaked from sweat, not even from water, from sweat. That's how hot it is out here. Do the doors, we do wood siding, we do it all of it. You name it, we do it. Trucks, vehicles, heavy equipment, we'll do all that stuff. There's no job too big, too small. We do it all.